Lighter.
Huh?
Lighter.
Yeah. Better. See if you can really start that fire. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Might be his low. My cigarette. Got that fire going pretty good though. It's only because ways I showed you.
God damn almighty. The fuck?
Oh, that was some funny shit.
Fuck.
Did I surprise you?
Yeah, a little bit. Am I surprised I'm gonna kick you in the fucking nuts?
Oh shit.
God damn, that was louder than fucking you.
Yeah, it was.